there goes, there goes.
There it goes. You got it? You rolling?
Yeah.
Get it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I moved it a little bit at the beginning.
It's okay.
Wow. It's okay, I have a bit to get more dust.
Yeah. Didn't even get to watch it live.
I caught a glimpse.
It's funny in every job, like after we get a good shot in the video, it's like, yeah. It's just like, everyone's got their victory moments.
Yeah.
Did you get some pics?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Like mid-fall?
yeah.
Cool.
Oh, please send me some of those. That would be awesome.
I've only really got one mid-fall.
Well, I even just
Well,
just,
these
just
all
a
the
couple of
stills
them,
that we can get, because that was a nice fall.
I'll use them in the video.
Yeah, it was pretty clean. I thought it was gonna be louder.
Yeah.
I felt it though in the ground. Do you think they would let us go close now and film the
base?
Yeah. Well, at least like just like the
Do you want me to go find out?
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Just see like where you guys are allowed to go.
Yeah,
right
just
now?
once it
Yeah.
settles, if we can get a few close shots of the rebel. I mean, we don't really need it.
But it'd be cool.
Yeah, I'll see what I can do for you.
Awesome.
What's the easiest way to get back there? 'Cause you
Oh,
guys
I
go
saw the
around.
guy kind of walking over there, but I don't know if that's safe.
Yeah, we just
went
came
around.
up this path, so I don't know.
Alright.
Still rolling?
Mhm.
See the eyepiece?
Here, you know what? Do you want me to just text you then when I'm over there?
Yeah.
Save the time.
Sure.
Do you have Gavin's number?
Oh yeah, I do.
Okay.
See you later.
Cool.
So the dust is already pretty much settled.
Yeah. Now the sun comes out.
Is
Fuck
it?
you, sun.
But at least it was consistent while it fell.
Yeah. That was pretty cool.
Well, you were watching on the camera, right?
Yeah, but as
I
it
got a
as
shaky
it
shot
started,
because I started watching it, and then I forgot.
really, as it started to fall, I kind of caught a glimpse because when I saw it first falling, I just moved it a tiny bit.
I think that's good. I mean, you can't even see the dust on camera anymore, right?
No, it's settled.